Well, last night, early this morning, Charlie swerved, missed a dog, ended up driving off of an embankment 10 feet or more down into a field through a fence and bent up his little Cherokee. So that's not good. This was pretty clean. It just needed a new paint job and just a few little things. But now it needs a little more attention. So, does he fix it? Back to stock? Or maybe do a little modification on the fenders, throw a lift kit on it. Put an aftermarket bumper for a winch and make it a wheeler. We'll see.